So welcome guys to my channel Budgies Media. In this video we will be talking about male or female budgies. How to identify that your budgie is a male or female. Focusing on the points of male budgies and female budgies. So without getting late, let's get started. So let's talk about characteristics of a male budgie. First, cere color. The area above the beak is usually blue in adult males. Young males have a purplish pink cere that turns blue as they become mature. Second, behavior. Males are generally more social, vocal, and playful than females. Third, talking ability. Male budgies are better at mimicking words and sounds than females. Fourth, feathers on head, often smoother and less fluffy than females. Fifth, beak shape, slightly more rounded compared to females. Now take out a look on a male budgie. Characteristics of a female budgie. First, cere color. The cere is usually white, light blue, tan, or brown in adult females. It often turns dark brown during the breeding season. Second, behavior. Females are typically quieter, more independent, and less playful than males. They may also be more aggressive, especially around their nest. Third, talking ability. Females can mimic sounds, but they are usually not as good at talking as males. Fourth, feathers on head. Often fluffier than males, giving them a slightly puffer appearance. Fifth, beak shaped, slightly sharper and more pointed compared to males. Now take out a look on a female budgie. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel.